Hello everyone, my name is T and my metric number is EA18015. Today I'm going to present about my project for BEE4323 embedded controller technology. And for this project I'm doing instant pot pressure cooker, and this is basically the simplest circuit design that I designed for the instant pressure cooker lah. So as you can see, there's some LED lights and some buttons. Okay, here this part is basically the mode button for the pressure cooker that mount on the top of the pressure cooker, and this is the pressure that you can choose, and this is the delay time. Like when you're going outside, you want to delay 1 hour after the 1 hours, then the cooker just start cooking. Okay, let me demonstrate. And when the trigger button is pressed, so as you can see, the keep warm button and the standby button is already lights out. That means you can start using the pressure cooker lah. So as for me, I choosing the soup. I choosing the soup mode, and I don't want to use any of the pressure here. So let me delay 1 hour. So that after 1 hour, and the soup just start cooking. Okay. After the mode has already set up, and now you can start cooking. So as you can see, you start counting 1 hour first. So after 1 hour, the cooker just start cooking the soup. So okay, as the programming, the soup is will be cooked for 2 hours. So this basically is the counting time for the cooker. After the cooking had done, so as you can see, the keep warm button and the standby button had already turned on. That means the soup had already done, and it is in the keep warm mode, and the standby mode means you can start cooking another things. So let me choose another thing. For example, I want to cook rice. I want to cook a rice for this, and maybe I want to use the pressure for like one levels, and still using the delay time for 1 hour. And as all the mode has set up, and we can start. Okay, now you can see the keep warm button has already turned off, and the level of the pressure will not affect the counting time for that. It's just like putting the pressure on the thing. So after the delay time has finished, and the rice is start cooking, after 1 hour, the cooking time will finish. Okay, and the keep warm button and the standby mode turn on back. So that's all for me. Thank you. Okay, this basically is the coding that I have just designed for the project. Okay, let me explain a little bit. This basically is the loop to the declare of the loop, and this basically is to declare the the mode of the time, and this is the time that taken for each mode, and this basically is a declare for the pressure loop, and this is the delay time, and this is the others. So as you can see, I have just set up the port A to the output mode, and also the port B output mode, and this is the input mode. So after the trigger button have pressed, as you can see, this is the standby LED light will light up, and this will be the pressure loop for the pressure LED lah. And this will be the delay time taken, and also the delay LED lights up, and this will be the LED light to display the LED light. And after the standby button has pressed, it will run 2 loops. Let me further a little bit, which is the mode of the instant cooker. As you can see, when the mode has choose, the check mode will check which mode it is true, and it will run the mode, and it will command the display loops to display the counter 3 and counter 4. So this is the display loop, and it will count down the time taken for each loop, and also the delay cook will also count down the delay time for each cook, and move to the last loop, which is the delay time for the system. That's all for me. Thank you.